Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually screen record your iPhone in iOS 18 or above. What you need to do is just swipe up. After swiping from the right side, what you need to see as there's a plus button here, just tap on it. After doing a screen like this will come up. As you can see that there is an option add a control, tap on it. After doing a screen like this will come up, and here you can see that the option of screen recording will come up like this. There are other tools as well which you can put over it, but as for now we are just doing screen recording thing. Just tap this button and this will come up like this. Okay, and as I have already done it, what you need to do is just make sure that you have one screen recording option and then touch on the side of it. Now once you press this screen recording button, a timer will come up, and after the timer your video of screen recording of an iPhone will start immediately. So that's how you can actually screen record your iPhone in iOS 18 update or iPhone 16. I hope this video has sorted your problem out. If you still have any question, just let me know. I'll try to answer in upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching me. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.